go. Break them in, baby. MT09 with the Dionysi. Which wheels look cool. Oh!
I love you, POWAMOTO.
Oh, yes. I'm in the Miami community. Yeah, it looks like we're partying, you know. POWAMOTO.
Motorcycle riding. Stunts like you've never seen before. Beautiful models.
You fake YouTubers, it's on.
And I came to rah, rah, rah.
POWAMOTO. So pretty. So pretty. Oh yeah, he got it going on his new MT09. Let's go. Bike looks really comfortable. Excellent handlebar, high up, not leaning off forward. Excellent foot condition, straight down and to the rear for a good sporty ride. Wheelbase not too long. Really set up like a street bike, like a fun street bike that goes fast. Yamaha MT09 on POWAMOTO. Going to bike night, let's go. Having fun, Mom. We just having fun. We having fun.
MT09 2019 versus Shiba. We're going for a ride on POWAMOTO.
Check out the rear end, very unique design. Check out the frame, interesting design. MT09. Doing it. Wonderful ride on POWAMOTO. Wheels so clean, we can eat out of them. He doesn't keep them long, folks. It'll be for sale in like, I don't know, 90 days? No, I keep this at least a year. All right, that's good. A year's good. So it's a 2019. How many miles? Like 4,000. 4,000. Any modifications that you're aware of? No, all stock. All stock, fantastic. Is this the frame slider designed for this bike?
No, that's an air brake.
Oh shit, how does that work?
Oh, the faster you go, the more air presses against it and slows it down.
Stop lying.
What?
Stop.
An air brake.
Stop lying.
This right here, it's a secret compartment where I hide rags and you can put stuff in there.
This guy. He's got the secret air bomb.
You see this right here?
Yeah.
This is a rubber, but for the bike. Normally it would go on your penis. Yes, this large.
This guy. All right, so he's got all the mods. I'll tell you. 2019
on POWAMOTO. Oh yeah, Mom. Oh snap! Oh snap! What time is it? Oh no! It's on! She's doing it! She's on POWAMOTO! Have a great time! Miami in the house! Thank you, Mommy!
I love you, POWAMOTO.
Oh my gosh! Yeah, POWAMOTO!
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hit that playlist, support this channel, fam, and I see you on the next one. If you like this video, check out one of these two other similar videos. And thanks for subscribing. We out!